Here's my honest opinion about Rejuvenator. It actually is a great product, but the way people use it, they don't follow directions correctly. It actually becomes a very expensive removal. This is actually on the back of the bottle of Rejuvenator. A lot of people overlook by reading. Reading is the key to understand the product. It says remove any loose dirt and debris. Basically, you're sweeping the floor. Make sure there's no debris or sand. Thoroughly clean the floors with the cleaner that you have. This is to help to apply the Rejuvenator that you're applying. But again, I don't recommend it to use Rejuvenator because homeowners do not use it correctly. You want to make sure you get all the grime, stains, residue left over off the floor before you apply the Rejuvenator. But again, with the homeowners, don't put it on the floor because it costs a whole lot of money to get it back, tucking it back off by us. Typically, it's $1 a square foot. You're looking about $2 to $3 a square foot to remove. So think about it.